Today, April 3rd, 2023, I have been make the video over a week because I got pretty busy and just back from the business trip. So sorry about that. And the video coming back from today. And good morning, all trader around the world. And we got the stock overview today. So we can see a market is going on a little look good. Especially Dow Jones getting up over 100 points and Nasdaq and SP 500 it dropped a little bit, but anyway, it looked pretty decent. And as markets is coming back, is a lot of stocks right now is getting green, and especially sometimes some of them drop a little bit based on the market. I cannot trust anything because the market can change every minute. But with overview, we can see the little direction where to go, and especially in here we can tell a lot of them like utility, real estate, healthcare, financial, but the lowest one is the energy gained, and the best one is consumer, directionary, and utility, real estate, material, information technology. All of them is getting up pretty well, and the performance on the week it's kind of it's okay because it's been dropped for a long time, and right now the market kind of coming back. And especially on the market, with the stock markets is get affected a lot by the crude oil. This crude oil already gained up over 40, 84 for 1 barrel. It's not under $80 anymore. And especially today is the day is going to happen when I say over 2 months ago, because the gold price is going to be back and jump to $2,000. That's right now. We can see Dow Jones getting up over 112 points, and SP 500 lost 6 points, Nasdaq lost 96 points. So overall, the market around the world today swing around a little bit, especially in Canada, in Europe, not that much. But anyway, the whole world, they get affected a lot by the US, the market stock from US, they affect the whole world. So we kind of have some good news and bad news this morning. The economy kind of gained up a little bit. But anyway, and the food price gained up too for this week. Coffee gained up 4 points, sugar gained up 0.26 points, soybean almost 10 points, and wheat almost 11 points. Yeah, this morning 11 points. Corn 5 points. So silver dropped a little bit, but gold already $2,000 for an ounce. And natural gas drop a little bit. Natural gas should drop more than the gain. So and the T note is at up a little bit. Especially Dow Jones getting up a little bit. Nasdaq and S&P 500 swing down. It's going to be swinging around a little bit, but finally, it's going to be getting some for today on the stock market. So we get a, like some capital looking based on the gold price, because gold price is limited. I mean, the gold is limited, but the price not. And a lot of sources, like everywhere in the world, they save gold. They save as soon as much they can. So with ETF as family, we can tell on here like SPY already gain of like over 115. QQ already gain of like 325. That's a lot of money, like it's been a week, but they gain of like more than $20. And congratulations for everyone who of them well enough. And now we got the result. So now it's 7 a.m. Central Time from Omaha, Nebraska. This is one more time the stock overview. And remember, one more time I want to say, I'm going to share what I buy and you chose what you buy. You're affecting and your responsibility in your account that's on your hands. So by the way, we come back with the ETFS family, and the best one for today is going to be ELF. It's going to be $32, even though, because like with ELF it's $30, around 30, 31 is going to be the best. But because the market's been up a few days ago and it's been gaining so much, that's pretty good. And Dow Jones race this morning is now we're going to get in the option page. With the option page, like a lot of like CCL, and as I'm going to get a lot of call for this morning, and they say they got some put too, like call and put mixed together. But the action for today, so based on all overall those information, is CCL's call is perfect for. I'm going to move them to June. It's not call that's on, like May. Because May is still short, and especially CCL. Like we got pretty good in the summertime. Anyway, Tesla, they get some put on, but the best one is still in June. And the Wall Street Journal, so the stock market kind of wrap up a little bit for today. But anyway, that one right now gain of over 121 point, and that's pretty good so far. And a few days ago, I already got a suggestion. It's kind of guess on the number on the markets belong to Tesla. And here we see a little bit for the revenue is, but anyways, not much of the change. But Tesla still make pretty good. pretty good car, and they've been delivery a lot. So now we're just waiting the result. But thank you very much. Have a good day and see you guys tomorrow.